Okay, so to convert questions on a Word document to a Schoology quiz, first you have to put it into a special format. So for a multiple choice question, you are going to just type your question. Each answer choice will just be on the next line. Don't indent them, just put them right like this. When you put the asterisk in front there, it indicates that that is your correct answer. So you want to go ahead and mark that so that it'll automatically do that when you move this file over. For open-ended questions, you're just going to type the question in. Then we get down here to the true false, so you type in the statement, and then on the next line you write if it was true or if it's false. That way it will automatically put those answers in as well. Now, when you get to fill in the blank questions, you can definitely add them this way. However, it will not pull your answer over. So you type the word blank in front of the number, and then your blank needs to only be one underscore line per word. So for this one, you only have one blank to be filled in, but down here, this one had 3. So you would do 3 underscores. Now, I had typed the answer into the next line, hoping that it would put it in there for you, but it won't. So you can definitely do fill in the blank. Just know you will have to go into each individual fill in the blank question and type in the answer. For matching, you're going to type the word match in front of the number, and then you're going to mark them A, B, C, D, E, however many you have, and you're going to type in one side, and then you're going to do a /, and then the term it should be matched to. Okay, so then you're going to do all of those, and so that should cover every type of question. Probably the easiest ones to put in here for it to be self-grading are going to be matching and multiple choice. If you want your quiz to be self-grading and you want to do it this way, I would stick to those 2 types of questions, because then once you move it over, the only thing you need to do really is change point value if you want each question to be worth more than 1 point. Okay, so now we have it formatted the correct way, and we are going to select everything on your document, and we are going to copy it, and then we're going to go to this website. It's the College of Southern Idaho. It's their Blackboard quiz generator, and we are going to paste in those questions that we just copied over from your Word document. Quiz name, health assignment 4.1.2. Okay, so now that we have it in there all the way that we want it to, I'm going to put some spaces here. All right, then I'm going to click Create Quiz. Now it says your test seems to have 11 questions. The package is available here. The reason that it has 11 questions is because your matching all falls under one question. Now I noticed on your document you had it as each individual question. So if you want to count this, 1 point per matching, then you'll just change the point value in Schoology. Okay, so your package is available here. And so I'm going to click here. It's going to bring it up. Now, it's always going to name them BB Quiz. So I click Show in Folder. It keeps it highlighted. And then right away, I rename it. So I'm going to name it Health Example. And then I'm actually going to drag it to my desktop so I can find it easier than my Downloads folder, because my Downloads folder is huge and difficult to find things in. Okay, so now we have the zip file. We're ready to go to Schoology. So we're going to go into the course, and we're going to click Add Materials, Add a Test or a Quiz. You're going to give it its name, its due date, its category, all that stuff, and hit Create. Once you get here, you're going to click on Add Question, and then you're going to choose Import Test/Quiz. We are going to choose Blackboard. Now it looks like nothing's there. You're going to have to attach that zip file. So click on that, go to your desktop, we called it health example. Double click on that to upload the zip file, and then click import. Now it brought in all of our questions. So that first one was multiple choice. So we're going to click edit and just see. It put all 4 choices in there, and it chose 205 as the answer, which was what you had wanted it to be. This is also where if you want to randomize your answer choices, you would do that at that point. So these are short answer. These are all open-ended questions. Now we're getting to our true false. So it puts there, we're going to check and make sure that it marked. So it gave you true, it gave you false. The correct answer is true. So that one went over the right way. And we're going to take one look at, so here's fill in the blank. And you can see it put a blank in there, but it didn't give your answer. So you're going to have to type in your answer there, which I think you said this one was stretching. So you do that and save your answer. You'd have to do that for all your fill in the blanks. Okay, and the last one is your matching. Let's double check it. Okay, so your instructions, and then all of your questions with its correct answers. If you wanted to add filler words, you could do that. You know, allow partial credit if you want to mix it up. Or allow them to get partial credit, not mix it up. All right, I'm going to hit save question. And I'm going to preview it. We're going to start a new attempt so you can see how it looks. So there you go. That's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions.